Today we will review what lines of longitude and latitude are and review 3 questions from the private pilot written exams regarding lines of longitude and latitude. The equator is an imaginary circle equidistant from the North and South poles. The equator is at 0 degrees as shown on the illustrated globe. The lines parallel to the equator running east to west are lines of latitude and are used to measure the degrees of latitude north or south of the equator. Meridians of longitude are lines running north and south from the poles. Lines of longitude are used to measure degrees east and west from the prime meridian, which is at 0 degrees and passes through Greenwich, England. Lines of longitude intersect the equator at right angles. There are 60 minutes between each degree of longitude and latitude as shown by the yellow arrow showing the distance between 98 degrees and 99 degrees west longitude. Therefore, each tick mark represents 1 minute of longitude and latitude. Since there are 30 tick marks in each box on a VFR sectional chart, then there is 30 minutes between each line as illustrated. Now let's review a few questions you may see regarding lines of latitude and longitude on the private pilot or remote pilot written exam. Which statement about longitude and latitude is true? We can eliminate the first option since we know the 0-degree line which passes through Greenwich, England is the prime meridian and thus a line of longitude, not a line of latitude. Answer C is not correct because lines of longitude run perpendicular to the equator, not parallel. Recall from earlier that lines of latitude run parallel to the equator. Since lines of longitude run perpendicular to the equator, they cross the equator at right angles. The correct answer is B. Determine the approximate latitude and longitude of Currituck County Airport. First find the Currituck County Airport as shown by the yellow arrow in the chart to the left. Then notice the line of longitude that is 76 degrees west and the line of latitude that is 37 degrees north. Since we know each tick mark represents 1 minute, each box in the chart represents 30 minutes. The red arrow in the chart is therefore 36 degrees and 30 minutes north latitude. Since the blue arrow that is pointing down is just 1 tick mark to the left of the 76-degree longitude line, we know that it is 76 degrees and 1 minute west longitude. Since the blue arrow is about 6 tick marks below the red line, we can see the Currituck County Airport is at 36 degrees north latitude and 24 minutes. Which airport is located at approximately 47 degrees 34 minutes north latitude and 100 degrees 43 minutes west longitude? First, let's orient ourselves with the sectional chart. The yellow arrow is 48 degrees north. Recall from earlier that each tick represents 1 minute and therefore each box in the chart represents 30 minutes. Therefore, the line represented by the blue arrow would equal 47 degrees north and 30 minutes. Since the question is asking which airport is located at 47 degrees and 34 minutes north, just count 4 tick marks up from the blue line to find the right latitude line. This is illustrated by the red arrow. To find the longitude line, first find the 101-degree line of longitude. Since there are 60 minutes between 101 and 100 degrees and the question is asking us to locate the meridian line at 100 degrees and 43 minutes, we can subtract 43 from 60 to get 17. Just count 17 tick marks to the right to find the correct longitude line as illustrated by the red dashed arrow. We can see that the red arrows intersect at McKeef Airport, so the correct answer is A. Thanks for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe for more flight training and aviation-related educational videos.